జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 9th చాప్టర్ రాజవిద్య రాజగుహ్యయోగము 5th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ గివింగ్ హిజ్ టీచింగ్స్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us, ఇంక్లూడింగ్ అర్జున. కృష్ణ పరమాత్మ సేయింగ్ దట్ అర్జున, మై సంకల్పం alone causing the existence of all beings, and my sankalpam alone bearing all beings, my sankalpam alone organizing and controlling all beings, and I do not depend on any being, and I have nothing to gain from any being. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma explaining that how we all depend on him. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Nacha matsthani bhutani పశ్య మే యోగమైశ్వరం భూతభృన్న చ భూతస్థః మమాత్మా భూతభావనః. ఓం. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 works. Krishna Paramatma says, if you do these 8 things, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now, let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you suggested, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, as you suggested, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you suggested, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you recommended, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you recommended, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you suggested, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you suggested, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you asked me to do, I shall definitely spread Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ. పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం థర్డ్ స్కంధం తృతీయ స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma, in the beginning, whatever the avidya that he created, because of that there come so many problems. Chaturmukha Brahma regrets about all that and did Bhagavad Dhyanam, purified his manas, and then he did another srishti. At that time Sanakancha, Sanandancha, Sanatanam, Adha Atmabhuhu, Sanatkumarancha, Munin. In that second time Srishti, Sanaka, Sanandana, Sanatana, Sanatkumara, those 4 boys, 4 munis were created, and those 4 Kumaras were always in Bhagavad Dhyanam. They did not have any interest in enjoying any sort of pleasures. Chaturmukha Brahma told them that, O my dear Kumaras, the rest of the Srishti you need to do. But because those Kumaras, Vasudeva Parayanaha, they were always dedicated to Sriman Narayana, they did not agree to do what Chaturmukha Brahma asked them to do. With that, Chaturmukha Brahma got so mad. When Chaturmukha Brahma got unlimited anger, and when he was unable to control his own anger, with the power of, with the impact of, with the effect of that anger, Sadhyaha Ajayata Tanmanyuhu Kumaro Neelalohitaha. One boy comes out from the middle portion of Chaturmukha Brahma's eyelids. That boy himself is Paramasiva. That boy himself is Bhava. That boy Savairuroda. The moment he is born, he started crying loudly. Because he cried, his name became Rudra. Then that Bhava, that Rudra, asked Chaturmukha Brahma, Namani Kurume Dhataha Sthanani cha Jagadguru. O Vidhata, O Jagadguru, please give me few names and please allot me few places to live. Like that, this Bhava, this boy, asked Chaturmukha Brahma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasyatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 9th chapter 5th sloka. न च मत्स्थानि भूतानि पश्य मे योगमैश्वरम् भूतभृन्न च भूतस्थः ममात्मा भूतभावनः न च मत्स्थानि भूतानि पश्य मे योगमैश्वरम् भूतभृन्न च भूतस्थः ममात्मा भूतभावनः। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।